I was contemplating this video and I deleted the video. So my mom was like, please kachra pheko baar. Hello, welcome. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video from Novictio Vlogs. Alright, the next product that I got was this Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water in Oil, and this is for all skin types. This is for my makeup cleaning. I've never used a makeup cleaner before. I just used to wash my face, but मुझे हमेशा लगता था कि मेरा फेस अच्छे से साफ नहीं हो रहा है करके I get a lot of acne the next time. Plus, I was not very cautious about what I'm using on my face, to be very honest, but now I am. I do think a lot about what I am using on my face. So this is the makeup cleaner that I got. I did get a freebie also. So I got a smaller version of this. So this is like I think this is 50 ml. Yeah, this is 50 ml and this one is 125 ml. So this I purchased and this I got free. एंड इस पे कुछ तो लैंग्वेज में लिखा है जो मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं समझ आ रहा है ठीक है so yeah this I got as a freebie. I did get a lot of freebies because I ordered अच्छा खासा सामान तो I get a lot of freebies नायका के पैकेट में but अभी I don't have it with me because I've been using so a lot of products are not even here. I will have a part 2 of this video. This is just the part 1 video. The next product that I got from Nykaa was my favorite lipstick. Oh my god, my favorite lipstick. I can't emphasize enough. My favorite lipstick. This is by what do you say? Okay, this is by Maybelline New York, and the shade is more mauve. Oh my god, this is the shade that I've applied right now. I am obsessed. I use it. I use it when I go to gym. I use it in my everyday work. I use it whenever I go out. I use it everywhere. This is what I'm obsessed with, and I'll tell you. So you just take this out. It's such a pretty shade. Can you see? All right, I'll just watch it for you guys. Okay. Such a pretty shade and I just can't get enough of it. So this is my favorite lipstick ever since. And as you can see, iski halat se, can you see? I've been using it for a while and I use it like with every lip liner. So yeah, that's that. So the next product that I got is actually something that I had to buy again because I ordered this blush from Swiss Beauty. This is Swiss Beauty Cremita blush with shea butter, and the shade is. Please tell me the shade. Chico Pink. Okay, the shade is Chico Pink. I did order this shade previously from Swiss Beauty. Swiss Beauty के पैकेज में अगर आपने वो वीडियो नहीं देखा Swiss Beauty का haul तो description में I'll put the link. Just watch it there. Otherwise, click on the I button and you can see. So this is how the blush looks. First of all, super cute packaging. Okay, so this is how the blush looks, and I had to reorder this because one of my friend came to stay over and she liked it so much that she took it with her. So I had to restock it again. The best thing about this blush is the pigmentation. I'll just show you with just itna sa amount. Okay. Can you see how pigmented this is? This is like super pigmented, and it just blends like butter. You don't have to put too much of an effort, and nothing helps my skin because my skin texture starts showing a lot once I apply makeup. But this has worked really nicely for me. So yes, I had to restock this one. So yeah, that's the next product that I got. All right, moving on to the next thing that I got was this Insight concealer palette. I think yeah. So Insight Cosmetics ka Pro Concealer palette. It has a concealer, corrector, contour, and I think it has a bronzer as well. You can use that as a bronzer as well. I have not used this at all. It is bilkul new, as you can see. I've ordered this for this corrector, orange corrector. I figured out that my makeup turned gray because I'm not color correcting. I knew it since a very long time, but I'm just too lazy to do it. मुझे लगता है कैमरे पे नहीं दिख रहा है करके चलता है. But you start doing makeup and then you start learning and doing your makeup well. Now is that time for me, and I'm just figuring out a lot of things that might work better for me, and I'm putting a little effort on that as well. So this is what I got. I did not have any bronzer as well, so it has one shade that I can use for bronzer. Concealer is also there, and this is the corrector, this is the corrector, this is the corrector, this is the corrector. Also, I've been doing a little bit of research because I didn't know my undertone and which corrector would go well. So I figured out that for my acne and my dark circles in different spots, I had to use different sort of color correctors if required. So yeah, this was a one package deal. Talking about the price point, the actual price of this product was 240, but I got it for a very, very, very decent price. Not 240 for sure. I will put up the prices somewhere on the screen because I do not remember it now, of course. All right. So the next product that I got is the concealer, that is this L'Oreal concealer. This is L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear Concealer. This is the packaging. I feel the packaging is a little bulky, and also the wand is also a little bulky to use, as you can see. See, it's a very bulky bond, so it's very difficult to put here. आज ही मैंने मेकअप करते करते अपनी आंख पे ये सीधा खोप दिया है, तो ठीक है, वैसा होता है कभी कभी. बट टॉकिंग अबाउट द कंसीलर एंड द प्रोडक्ट, लॉरियल पेरिस, I am impressed. I've not used many products from L'Oreal Paris, if, except their hair serums and a few other products, but I am impressed. This is such a nice concealer. I just concealed my eyes today. That's it. I've done my eyes. That's it. And it is such an amazing product. It blends like butter. Again, आपको ज़्यादा ऐसा थोपा थापी नहीं करनी पड़ती है. Just a little amount goes a long way, and it blends so easily. So you don't have to actually, to put too much of effort or pressure. That helps your skin. Second, I feel that it does not look very cakey on me, so that's the plus point. So somewhere where I don't feel like doing the makeup, or the days where my skin is just acting out and I don't want to use a lot of makeup, I apply this and I'm good to go. So yeah, this has been working well for me. I'll just tell you the shade. My shade is 308 Vanilla, and this is really, really good concealer. So the last product that I got from Nykaa, जिसकी वजह से ये Nykaa luxury package आया, was this Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm, and this is 30 ml of cleansing balm, and this is how the packaging looks. There's one thing that I started noticing. Once you're earning money and if you're investing on you, you start to manifest more money and more success for you. And that's something that I started believing very firmly. मैं ये cleansing balm लेते हुए सोच रही थी, so I'll tell you just the price of it. It doesn't come in a box. So the MRP that's written here is 1550 for a 30 ml bottle. Can you see, this is 30 ml bottle, जिसमें से ये ढक्कन है, तो इतना ही प्रोडक्ट है. 30 ml bottle के लिए 1550. But I did see a lot of videos, review videos. Whenever I order something new, I do see a lot of review videos that are not sponsored. There are a few YouTubers and few influencers that I follow, and I know for sure they give a little brutal, honest review. So I like their review videos. So मैंने बहुत जगह review देखा, and Clinique on the whole, I've seen that it is an amazing, amazing brand that brings premium brand and premium quality to the table. So I had to try this one. I contemplated a lot ordering this. But yeah, when I ordered this, I remembered the younger Akanksha who used to just fix her makeup with anything she could find. Okay, I've done my brows, even filling it with a little bit of kajal. That's it. Okay, so I know wo Jugadu Akanksha is quite happy today doing all of this, having a little bit of cute setup of her own, ordering things that she wished and manifested that she would order someday. So I think that's me. So yeah, I've ordered this, I've used this, I've still not opened it also once. Okay, the middle class person in me is just, it has no fragrance, so that's a good thing. And it has not been used even once. I will use it and put a detailed video how I feel about it, because you know this channel is all about paisa vasool product, whether that is worth it or not worth it. So I'm definitely going to give you a review about a few of the products here, that whether it is worth it or not worth it. So yeah, I think I have another freebie that I got. Yeah, so this is by CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser. I have used their products. This is how the packaging looks. This is a cleanser, fragrance free, and this is a sample that I actually got as a freebie. So yeah, I've got I think I got one miniature lipstick also as a freebie, but I gave it to my mother to use, so I don't have it in this box. So this was everything I ordered. This is just one order. There's a second all coming up, and I just ordered a lot of stuff because half of them I'm going to just use and then give it to my sister because I don't use makeup very frequently and it doesn't go it doesn't go well with my skin. And there's a marriage coming up, so I wanted a few things, but I will give it to my sister so that she could use most of it. So that's all for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, keep watching my videos. I love you guys. Bye.